Good morning. Here's your Quad Drone Lab daily news briefing for March 12th, 2026.
So, let's jump right in. We've got big news on K-drone tech and some serious security threats brewing globally.
First, the good news. Drone Show Korea 2026 showed off some major tech leaps from Korean companies.
A key piece of this puzzle, the domestic flight controller. It's basically the brain of the drone.
And Acrosar just unveiled its AIXR V6X. This is huge for breaking away from foreign-made parts. And how's this for success? They're already talking over 10 billion won in potential sales. Wow. Another game changer is the integrated control solution. One person can now command a whole fleet of drones. Take Tayson's DroneWork platform. It's managing over 100 different drones simultaneously. Pretty amazing stuff.
But, all this incredible tech has a flip side. Let's turn to the global security situation. Over in the Middle East, drones have become a primary weapon, totally changing how conflicts are fought.
And the threat is spreading. We're seeing regional attacks and even FBI warnings about the US mainland. This has real consequences. Some US air defense assets are even being moved out of South Korea.
So, what's powering both this innovation and this threat? It all comes down to one thing: batteries. We're talking all solid-state batteries. They're safer, more powerful, basically the dream fuel for next-gen drones.
And at Inner Battery 2026, you can see Korea's top companies are all in on this tech.
And believe me, it's a global race. A US firm just got funding from the CIA's venture arm.
So you've got these two sides, amazing innovation and a very real threat. Understanding both is crucial.
And that's where we come in. At Quad Drone Lab, we cut through the noise to give you clarity. Things change fast. That's why we put out a new explainer every single day to keep you ahead.
To make sure you get these daily briefings, go ahead and join our channel membership. It's the only way. So here's a final thought. As this tech gets more powerful, how do we balance progress and safety?